Hello and welcome back. Do you want to improve your English speaking in just a few minutes a day? In today's short lesson, you will practice English shadowing with me. You can do this practice before sleep, during a short break, or between work. Juste listen and repeat after me. Shadowing is a powerful speaking method. You listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately. This helps you speak more naturally, improve pronunciation, think in English, build real fluency, feel confident in daily conversations. Even 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. No, relax. Listen carefully. Repeat the sentence out loud with me. Let's begin. Let's start the day together. I wake up early every day. I open my eyes and start a new day with a positive feeling. I stretch my body and get out of bed slowly. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I drink a warm cup of tea in the morning. I enjoy a quiet moment before the day begins. I look outside and enjoy the fresh air. I feel fresh, calm, and ready for the day ahead. Listen and join the conversation. How are you today? I am doing well, thank you. How about you? I hope you are feeling good today. What are you doing right now? I am practicing my English speaking skills. I try to speak clearly and slowly. That sounds good and very useful. Practice makes speaking easier every day. Staying focused through the day. I am busy at work today. I have many tasks to complete. I make a small plan for my work. I start my work in the morning. I try to focus and stay organized. I do my work step by step. I check my work carefully. I will finish this task soon. After that, I can relax for a short time. Slow down and relax. I am tired after a long day. I sit down and take a deep breath. I slow down and relax my body. I feel calm and peaceful inside. I think about the good moments of the day. I feel thankful for small things. I want to relax and clear my mind. I put my phone away and rest my eyes. I will go to sleep early tonight. When you talk about yourself. I like learning new things every day. English is important for my future. I want to speak English with confidence. Sometimes I feel shy, but I keep trying. Making mistakes is part of learning. I learn something new every time I practice. Slow practice helps me speak better. I am improving step by step. Speaking with confidence. I speak slowly and clearly. I don't worry about small mistakes. People can understand me when I speak calmly. I listen carefully before I answer. I enjoy using English in daily life. Every day, my confidence grows stronger. I believe in myself. I can speak English better than before. Take a slow, deep breath. You did something good for yourself today. Remember, learning English is a journey. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice a little every day. Even 5 minutes of shadowing can help you speak more naturally. Small steps bring big results over time. If this practice helped you, please like the video. It helps the channel grow and reach more learners. Share this video with a friend who is learning English. You can practice together and improve faster. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. New English speaking practice videos are coming every week. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next lesson. Keep speaking English every day.